Hello everyone, just got back from Olympiad 2022 from Chennai, India. Got back home safe and sound. I played chess online. I won a trip to Olympiad, winning FIDE checkmate coronavirus. I was also head of a delegation of Mauritius. I could also have played, but my parents didn't want me to play. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I won and bought from Olympiad 2022. I bought this chessboard for 10,000 Indian rupees. You have to divide the Indian rupees by 80 to get it in dollars or euros. I negotiated. I got it for 9,600. I got this chessboard, the pieces, and also the bag. Here, this bag. You get these two small bags. You can put the pieces in it. It was very cheap, but maybe I could have got it for 9,000 rupees. And then I started negotiating. But when I came back to Mauritius, there is a white knight missing. It was in this box. All the pieces have 2 extra queens, but there's white knight missing. Very unfortunate. So I have to replace it with another piece I bought. This knight, but it is not the same. This is much more simple knight. This is much more complicated. But what can you do? These things happens. You have to check the chess pieces and boards. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. I'm going to show you what I won and bought with Chess Olympiad. I also won Best French Team in Chess 24. I got this t-shirt. It just arrived. Got water Chess 2. Very nice t-shirt. This I won. I didn't win our Chess Olympiad. I won it for winning Best French Team. You can see here. Best French Team on Chess 24. I got a t-shirt and some money. But I still have to pay 190 Mauritian rupees, like $5, like tax. The t-shirt. Then at Chess Olympiad there was quiz every day. I did not play an all quiz, but then when I started, I was invincible at this game. I was the best. I won like 5 times. You can see here standings. First time I was first. When I understood that I'm the best. This game was like Magnus, winning it 5 times. Then I played on 2 phones. I was first and second. Then here was third, but this time I knew that the first, second, third got the same price, t-shirts. So I tried to get third. It's okay, I get third. I got the same price, t-shirts. Then I got first and third. Then I got first and second. At some point, I lost motivation. I didn't play none over because, like Magnus, I won 5 times. No motivation. Then I got one I lost, and I didn't play one. But at some point, when you win so many times, you feel bad for the others because I'm just not first, but first and second. So I won all these. Show you. On this nice bag. Chennai, India. Other players got 1 bag, but I didn't get one because I'm not playing. I'm just the head of delegation, Mauritius. At the airport, you get this scarf. Every player got this. You're greeted at airport like heroes, Chennai. People were asking my selfies, autograph. which I'm not used to, never before, given autograph selfies. Got these, pen, pin, CD. These keychains there's another shop from your chess academy. So games you can win. But they gave it to me without even playing the games from your chess academy. This W for a quiz. When I bought a ton of chess stuff at Paramount this, they gave me this pen, this pen. I got like 4 pens from Chess 24, the chess quiz. I got more pins I give to friends. I also won these 2 monkeys for winning the chess quiz. As I won first and second, they gave me only 1 prize sometimes. Also won this battle. I won this t-shirt. 1, 2, 3 t-shirts. I got a t-shirt from Premier Chess Academy. 3 and another t-shirt here. This is a large. These are medium. I won like 4 t-shirt chess quiz. And Premier Chess Academy t-shirt. And let's continue. Just a bell, 1, 2, these 2 monkeys, battle. These are from a chess quiz. I went to 3 different hotels. First I played Oyo Night. Was cheap, 10,000 Indian rupees for a week. There was a discount promotion instead of 20,000. So it was very good hotel. Can check out video. I'm going to post a vlog about it. Also, at the Olympiad, I got the autograph of all the top players. You can check out the other video on YouTube later about the autograph. This is from Magnus, and also Wasiso. This is my favorite chess player of all time. Wasiso, very kind and humble. Thank God, Lord Jesus Christ, for everything I want. And also, but as a second hotel, we went out and I didn't get anything. The food was great here. The third hotel, Coral Beach Resort. Got this necklace of corals, of seashells, and then this Coral Beach Resort, third hotel. It was near the beach. But the food here was worse than the Vivant Hotel, because there were more for arbiters, not players, stuff like that. I negotiated. I got this bag for free, but because I bought a lot of stuff there. About this, open this. I bought this for 350. 300 then Indian rupees, and I bought this other one that with a Chess Olympiad logo, 550 Indian rupees. I forgot if I managed to negotiate or not. Then continue. I bought this chessboard, 3,000 Indian rupees with the chess pieces. You can see pieces, small pieces. And I bought the second one, the same, different color but same. Okay, white. These are different pieces. This was more expensive, like 4,500, but because I bought 2 and negotiate, I got it for 3,000. the same price as the other one. So, but this lot of souvenir, this was 400 Indian rupees. Usually players got a bag with all the souvenirs for free. One souvenir each, I think. A cap, a t-shirt, stuff like that. But a cap, I forgot how much. The pin was 250. I did not get the bag with the souvenirs. I should have tried to ask. I didn't do it. This pin is 250 Indian rupees. This mask is 100 Indian rupees. Olympiad. This umbrella, I forgot how much. From 500 to 1000 Indian rupees. So because I also did ask, because I won FIDE checkmate coronavirus, you can check out the video I made later how I won a trip to India with more details about FIDE checkmate coronavirus. In the bag there is like a t-shirt, FIDE checkmate coronavirus. Also before I won a cup from FIDE checkmate coronavirus. In this bag there is another cup, so I have 2 cups now. Then there is a keychain, FIDE checkmate coronavirus. And then there is a mug, checkmate coronavirus. This is a mug you can put coffee, tea, aluminum, keeping heat. And then there's another mug here. Checkmate coronavirus. And you continue. I got this jacket. Red, blue, dark blue. For 1200 Indian rupees. It is cheaper to buy in Indian rupees than in euros and euros. But I also bought these 2 kings. This was the best deal I managed to get. It was 3,200 too. I managed to get it for 2,000, like 1,000 Indian rupees one. Let's continue. So, but this chess set, other players got it for free. I bought it like 500 Indian rupees. The chess piece. Pieces are like this. This is plastic. That's okay. I also bought this, just Olympiad. Forgot how much. 400, 500 Indian rupees, I think. If I was writing how much, then I stopped. Got too tired to do. I bought all these t-shirts. This bag for free. One t-shirt it was 750 Indian rupees. But a ton. All the colors. Except fig. Light brown, something like that. But quite heavy. Also bought this. Is 600 Indian rupees. I put 2 pence here. I also bought this beautiful mug, the Chess Olympiad 2022. It was 350. I bought 2 for 500. Negotiate. Got this. This mug is very beautiful. The horse, Chess Olympiad 2022. 2 for 200. 1 for 250. 2 for 500. Also bought this souvenir, a keychain, Chess Olympiad 2022, India, 80 Indian rupees one. I bought like 40. this type 10 like this, and also this 10 like this. Make in India. Indian rupees one. I also got this for 60 Indian rupees. I got it for free. I negotiated. I got it for free. Nice. After I bought all these things, nice gold sheet. So I also won these chess magazines after winning the chess quiz. I gave some for, to some friends, but I still got all these duplicates. Okay. I also got these stickers from Chess24, and FIDE Chess Olympiad, Chess24. I think that's it. I show you everything that I won and bought from the Chess Olympiad 2022 in Chennai, India. Okay, thanks for watching. See you guys later. You can also watch my other videos.